One of the coolest parts of mechatronics is we get to use equipment that is being used in the industry. Hydraulics, pneumatics, gears, belts, chain drives, and we get to see that stuff in action. This program is just really exciting and interesting, and it keeps you learning something new every day.
Mechatronics is mechanical and electrical engineering combined.
Yes, it is very fun to get to tinker with everything. You just love understanding the fact that I made that thing work.
My favorite thing about this program is the environment because everyone helps each other out. It's preparing me for the actual workforce by allowing me to do hands-on stuff so I can actually witness what I'm supposed to be prepared for in the future. So we're learning hydraulics, pneumatics, PLCs, electrical circuits, and all types of math.
So students are going to learn trigonometry, geometry, and a lot of algebra, but we teach it in a manner that they're going to use every day. So we talk about it in class and they do it in the lab that day. We have articulated credit with local universities like Northwestern Michigan University, GRCC, but we also have concurrent enrollment credit, which is direct credit from Ferris State University. So students are earning college credit while they're here in class. They are actually enrolled as Ferris students.
My dual enrollment with Ferris, what it is, I am enrolled in the Mech 250 class, which will end up getting me 3 credits at the end of this year with Ferris State. One of the certifications that we earn in this class is OSHA 10-hour, which is a safety training that a lot of industry and a lot of companies will recognize as a really good safety training, and that's one of the biggest certifications we're getting.
We focus on that education and the skills and the hands-on portion of it so that kids are ready to leave here, go into industry and be hands-on right off the bat, or go into university and know that this is the technical area I want to work in.
This program has helped me realize that I want to be in this environment for my career and go into aerospace engineering.
In the future, I'd like to go into mechanical engineering, and this program helps me because it gives me those skills that they're going to teach me in college, but already in high school.
As an advanced student, we get to be a part of an internship in a company. And we get to work 3 days a week instead of going to class.
In this program, we get a lot of real-world experience, and that's what the most amazing part of it is just getting that real-world experience we don't get anywhere else.
I actually love this class. I look forward to coming to this class every day.